Accidentally voided an important Docusign document. Don't panic, you can usually unvoid it. First, log into your Docusign account and click on the Manage tab at the top of the screen. This is where all your documents are stored. Next, in the left-hand panel, find the Filters section. You will see different categories for your documents. Click on Voided. This will show you all the documents you've previously voided. Locate the specific document you want to unvoid from the list. It might be helpful to sort by date to find it quicker. Click on the document to select it. Now, look for the Actions button. Usually located above the document list, click on the Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you should see the option to unvoid. Click Unvoid. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to unvoid the document. Review the information, and if you're ready, click the Unvoid button within this window. Docusign will then process your request, and the document will be restored to its previous status, allowing you to send it for signatures or take further action. It will likely appear in your In Progress or Drafts folder, depending on what stage it was at before being voided. Now you can continue the signing process.